how to fix keyboard disappeared on Poco M8. Let's start the video first of all. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device. If you want to restart device, click power button and volume up button at the time, and you will see restart phone from here. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on additional settings. After click on additional settings, scroll down to and click on developer option. After click on developer option, scroll down and search media setting from here. Scroll down. You will see media DRM setting is here. So you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update your software latest, go back to home screen. So you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix keyboard disappeared on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.